Hey Scott, this is Joe. We talked earlier this morning. I'm just shooting that video that I promised you. I just want to go over three things with you real quick. The first thing is going to be content, right? So let's go over to your home competitor's website, right? So Google loves content, all right? Content is king when it comes to Google. So they want to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words, right? Now that's a lot. Now obviously very few people are going to read 2,000 words, but Google will, and they will know that you are the subject matter expert, right? Compared to somebody that only has, 800 words, right? That makes sense. So when we scroll, we can see all your competitors' content, right? And they got about 800 words on their homepage. Okay, so they didn't reach that goal yet that Google likes to see. So I definitely recommend on your website putting 1,500 words. Okay, so you can outrank this guy in this area. I also recommend throwing in keywords. Okay, keywords are what people are searching for in this area. So once you start ranking for those keywords, obviously you're going to start bringing in a lot of leads that way as well, right? Awesome. Google also loves big built-out websites, right? So what that means is the more pages you have on your website, the better. Okay, I see a lot of people that are just putting services and then doing an overall of their services. But as you can see, this guy broke it down into each of his services he offers. So definitely recommend doing that, right? Google loves big built-out websites. Okay, you also have a gallery, blog, about us, and contact. So the bigger the better. All right. And then on your back pages, Google also loves content, right? Go figure. So they also want to see between 500 and 700 words on your back pages. Okay, this guy's doing about 500, right? So to outrank him in this area, I recommend doing 600 to 700 words. All right. You can also throw keywords on your back pages as well, so you can start ranking for those keywords and start taking up more spaces on Google, which would be awesome. Next is going to be the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is, right? If you can get here, if you can get to the top three, you're definitely going to start getting a lot of clicks. Definitely going to start getting a lot of phone calls asking for business, right? So I definitely recommend getting into the map pack. And how you get here is a lot of high star reviews. Okay, super important. You're also going to want pictures and a good business description with keywords. Okay, another thing that's going to really help you is going to be citations. Okay, citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. Okay, the more you have, it's going to be a lot easier for Google to rank you right here in the map pack. Okay. Some of those websites that you can put your business name, address, and phone number on are like Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, bbb.org, right? The list goes on and on. So definitely recommend getting those and getting your business up here, right? Get those leads. Moving on to the last thing is going to be backlinks, right? Backlinks are super important, all right? This is what's going to help you rank to the top of Google. Okay, you can have a perfect website, but if you don't have power from the backlinks going to your website's going to stay at the bottom. Okay, so super important. Backlinks are like a popularity contest. They're going to, so Google sees it as popularity, right? If you have a lot of websites pointing a lot of backlinks to your website, Google thinks that your website is credible, so they're going to push you to the top, right? That makes sense, all right? So as you can see, your competitor has 1.26 thousand websites pushing 4.6 thousand backlinks to his website, right? Which is really good for this guy, right? Definitely beatable, right? Because quality over quantity. Okay, so this guy can have as many, websites and backlinks as he wants, but if you go out there and get good quality backlinks, you don't need this much, right? And you could still easily outrank him, right? So that's awesome. You can also see how many keywords he's ranking for, right? 2,000 keywords, right? So the more keywords you have, the more search volume, right? And because he has these keywords, right, because he has a lot of power coming to his website, because he has a really good website, In return, he's getting 336 leads to his website per month. Okay, now that's awesome. What would that do for your business, right? So definitely something to think about. Definitely something to take advantage of. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it informative. You can go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions. Call me or text 515-468-3039. I'll call you tomorrow just to make sure you got the video. We would also love, some feedback, right? So if you could do that, that would be awesome as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day, Scott.